Hey, Dad, we got a package.
Awesome.
So this just came in the mail today. It's a package for one of our members, Mustache Mike. We are so excited and he has been so generous. We're anxious to see what's in this package today.
So let's get this thing open and take a look. Huh?
Oh yeah.
All right. So I'll be real careful here when I'm doing this. I don't want to accidentally cut something that shouldn't be cut. Here we go. Turn it around the other way. I'm sliding everything all over. Trying to be really careful here. So I'm going to just move it aside here. Look, he sent you some bubble wrap.
Yay, my favorite.
Well, the first thing out, looks like we have a nice Union Pacific locomotive.
Oh, that's beautiful.
The Bachman, and I'm not sure which model this is, but I'll definitely be digging into it and figuring out which one this one is. I like the nose of it. Everything about it's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Ah, we got a note with it.
Oh yay.
It says, hey guys, I hope you enjoy this next round of goodies. Some might need a little fine tuning, but the ones matching pair are good to go. Have fun, your friend Mustache Mike.
That's awesome.
That was so nice. That's great. So then, oh, I see another little deal here. You want to open that one?
Okay.
This looks cool.
A caboose. I love cabooses.
Nice. It's so
a
cool
Union
looking.
Pacific. It looks nice with our logo.
Yeah.
That's a great little caboose.
Yeah, how fun is this? Okay. So our next item. Looks like we have a nice Santa Fe F unit here. Oh, this thing looks great too. I love this paint scheme on these. Got the nice Santa Fe logo on the front, down the sides. I like the red with the silver. Looks great. Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah, that's a good logo.
Okay, see what else we got. Here's some more bubble wrap for you. And a few pieces of cardboard to protect things. And be careful pulling things out so I don't accidentally hurt something. Look at there, another Santa Fe
wow.
F unit.
That's got some good detail on the sides here.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got all of the air inlets screened on the side. Looks cool.
Mm-hmm.
Nice Santa Fe. This one's got the port windows in it. So I was noticing this one didn't have the port windows, but I've got some port windows we can put in it to finish this one off.
Oh, nice.
It's, it's got the window glass and everything on it. Same here.
Yeah, this one looks like it's been really well cared for.
Yeah, it's nice. It's got a KD on the back, so I won't have to worry about changing this one at all. This is a nice little logo. I can't wait to get these on the layout and see how they go.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Then we have another one here, another Santa Fe.
I like
this one
that
looks,
blue and gold.
yeah, this one looks way cool. So I'm not sure this style, like this with the high hoods, I'm not sure which type of locomotive it is, but I'm definitely going to be looking these up and see if I can figure that out. It's got some nice detail, got nice handrails on it all around.
Mm-hmm.
And we got another one here. I think Mike just went all out here.
Oh, how cool is that?
So this looks like a match set here.
Yeah.
Nice. But these look nice. Yeah, and I like the screen on the side. You know, the detail on it is pretty good. So this is like a match set. There's a 200 and a 200C.
Yeah.
Way cool. Get these out. That looks like we got an Athearn blue box in here.
I love those.
Oh, this is exciting here. There we go. Oh my goodness.
Oh, what a nice
Wow.
logo.
Wow. This is really nice.
The grab irons are really good.
Yeah, yeah. It looks like everything traveled really well. And it's got the metal grab irons on here. All the ladders are intact. It's really nice. And of course, I do like the Athearn blue box. Those things are like the tank of the train wheel. It seems like they just go and go and go. Well, holy smokes, this is pretty incredible here.
I'm blown away.
There's 6 locomotives.
We're gonna have a lot of fun with that.
Oh yeah, and I'm not done.
Oh no!
We're gonna pull out here and see what we got here. Awesome, Santa Fe
Wow.
passenger cars.
That's gonna look super nice with the Santa Fe logos.
Yeah, these are pretty cool. So this one's 3150 inline coach. And we have another one in here of the same type. So this got the same coach number, and that's something we can easily change. So we have sequential ones going on. And we got another one in here.
Oh, that's a good set.
Well, this is going to be fun.
Mm-hmm.
This is going to be fun. So I think these here will look really good being pulled by like one of these.
Mm-hmm.
Like that. That's pretty neat.
Yeah, that'll be perfect.
Well, this is awesome, man. Well, thank you so much, Mike. This is great.
We really appreciate it so much.
We went from being locomotive poor to being locomotive rich.
Yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun at our live on Sunday.
Yeah. So really, thanks so much, Mike. We appreciate you so much, and this was so generous of you. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. So
Really.
I can't wait to get them over there. Let's get them on the layout. See how they do.
Yeah.
there you go. Once again, we are totally blown away by Mustache Mike's generosity. I gotta say, it floors me.
And I can't get over how stinking cute this caboose is.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I mean, all this stuff, we tested it all out. All of them run. Some could use a little bit of help, a little bit of cleaning up, I think. These two here run together so well together. I mean, you can tell they were made to go together like that. I mean, they're matched so well. It's so smooth. So I just need to do a little bit of work on some couplings so that we can interchange these with any of our rolling stock, because we're using mostly KDs.
Yeah.
So we can swap some of these horn hooks over, and this is going to be so great. I mean, we've tripled our locomotive fleet in one package.
Yeah, we're gonna have so much fun with this.
Yeah. So, Mike, we appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for the great gift. We're gonna run them and have a good time with it. But in the meantime, you guys have a good time running your trains, working on your layouts.
Make sure you hit like and subscribe so you're notified of our next video.
And we'll see you back here next time on Getting Back on Track with Steve
And Roxy. Bye, guys.
Bye, all.